Okay, so I was not expecting this, but we're here at the biggest Yankee Candle store like in the world. So I wasn't expecting to do this, but here we go. So I'm just like, wow, like I love Yankee. Are you kidding me? So this is like a Yankee Candle store like on steroids. They have ice cream, they have candy, dip your own candy. Holy moly. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is huge. Oh, you could go bankrupt in here. Oh my god, it smells like wax and every flavor of wax you could possibly think of. I mean, this place is humongous. So apparently there's only 2 flagship Yankee Candle stores in the world. And oh, that's why it smells like wax, because you make candles here. One of them is here in Williamsburg, Virginia, and the other one is in Boston, Massachusetts. So, yeah, wow. So you can make your own candles here. And there's Mama. There's Mama. I'm just like, holy moly. You can build your own bear here. There's more. What is that?
Pasta, cute.
For dog lovers.
I know.
I mean, wow. Wow. Wow, wow. We got something going on up here. Santa Claus is here. Father Time. General store. And here's a toy store. And they have this train that goes throughout the entire building. Oh, this is a very colorful lizard here. Wow. Lots of sequins. Oh my, it just goes on and on and on. More toys. There's the train again. Here's the holiday park. Oh my. Oh, wow. Wow. There's more than one train. This is amazing. Wow. Look at the ceiling, all the stars in the sky. We have Frosty the Snowman. That's a different train. Here is Santa's workshop. That's a cute little selfie spot right there. Wow. They have so many different ornaments in here. For a second, I thought these were real. Oh, look at all these figurines. I have so many Jim Shores in my house. Disney Jim Shores. Oh, look at that one. I love this one. It's the whale from the Storybook Boat Ride. Wow. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I love this one. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, they have so many. Wow. Hi, Santa. Wow, look at this Christmas town. Superman. Wow. Look at this, Mickey's train station. Oh, look at this one. I love the Mickey Village water tower. That reminds me of the old Hollywood Studios water tower. You got the Peanuts gang. The Grinch. Oh my gosh, there's even more over here. We have, looks like Harry Potter. Wow. Look at all the Harry Potter scenes. The Burrow, Ollivanders, Hagrid's hut, Hogwarts Castle. Wow. Margaritaville. They really do have it all, don't they? Wow. Just when you thought you were done with all of these, there is more. Halloween Town. Which is probably my favorite Halloween. The level of detail is just amazing. So, there's got to be like a million different style ornaments here, but I do know that there are over 400,000 candles here and over 200 different scents, which is more than the nose can handle. I know, this is intense. Oh, look at these German mugs. These are so cool. They have these at Epcot in the Germany pavilion. Even more ornaments. This is Ornament Central. Look at this. Beautiful. Just about every type of ornament you can think of. Nativity. Oh my, even more ornaments and bells. Yo, it is snowing inside. It's snowing inside the building. It's snowing in the building. What do you say to that? It's snowing. Oh, this place is crazy. Oh. Do you ever get the feeling that you're being watched? I think we're being watched. And this guy, he's got a list. Who's naughty and who's nice. Let's ask him. Hey, big guy. Hey, which list are we on? Are we on the... He says that we're on the tired list. Yeah, we on the tired list. We're on the tired list, but we're also on the good list too, right? Are we on the good list too? Say hi. Say hi. We on the good list. Wow. They have Popcornopolis over there. A home store. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I think you guys get the point. It just keeps going on and on. More and more stores that I didn't even see before. This one is called the Man Cave. Definitely you could spend an afternoon in here. Oh Lord, and a fudge shop. Oh, the smell of popcorn. There you have it. Largest Yankee candle store in the world.